RemoteVac package systems are loading systems for up to 6 hopper loaders. They are pre-wired at the factory and ready to go. All you need to do is connect the hoses and wire the material switches to the connectors on the control box. The air valves are fully assembled in the frame with a common valve manifold. The frame is constructed of heavy stainless steel tubing and fitted with casters. The optional color touch control provides a full graphic interface for the operational parameters. There are several important video links in the worksheet and our website. For specifics on RemoteVac loaders, watch the RemoteVac Hopper Loaders video. A RemoteVac package system can operate up to 6 vacuum chambers. Each chamber can have a 2-material valve. A maximum of 3 2-material valves can be directly controlled by the controller. The optional color touch control provides straightforward operation in production. Here is our RemoteVac Packaged Systems worksheet. It is a tool that you can use to design a system for your application. There are many embedded videos to help you along the way. As you go, you will have instant pricing. You can make changes to see how they affect your budget. Now let's get started. First, we need to calculate the equivalent distance. Equivalent distance is how we calculate the resistance caused by pipe, hose, and elbows. Each horizontal foot is equal to 1 foot. Each vertical foot is equal to 2 feet. Each 90-degree elbow is equal to 15 feet. Each foot of flex hose is equal to 5 feet. Enter your information in the green boxes. The calculated distance will show in the beige box. Now we need to calculate the system rate. The system rate is the total pounds per hour the system will convey. You must total each vacuum chamber separately. Enter the system rate in the green box. Enter the total number of vacuum chambers you want the system to be capable of loading, now and in the future. Now select the right pump. If you have not seen the video, Select the Right Loader, now would be a good time to watch it. Regenerative blowers are good for any system conveying up to 500 feet at rates up to 2,000 pounds per hour. Remember, regenerative blowers cost up to 10 times the cost of a RemoteVac. RemoteVacs can be applied at rates up to 1,200 pounds per hour with the correct chamber. Conveying distance is normally under 100 feet. Place a 1 in the green box for the pump you want. The frame and casters are included with every package system. Now select the right vacuum chamber. It's a good idea to have watched the videos Select the Right Loader and Vacuum Chambers, What You Need to Know. Please note the maximum system rate for each size chamber. Enter the quantity of each vacuum chamber in the corresponding green box. Now add the 2 material valves. Note that the standard is a single solenoid valve for each valve. If you want 2 solenoid valves or 2 valves with double solenoids, contact sales or add it to your email. Add the quantity you want in the green boxes. You can watch the video 2 Material Valves, What You Need to Know by clicking the blue video box. Now let's select the accessories. Do you need material wands? We have 2 types. Fixed, which are a single tube with an adjustable vent hole, and adjustable wands, which have a tube within a tube to adjust the air and the material fill rate. Order the hose you need. Flex hose is rigid hose for conveying material, and vacuum hose is lightweight hose for the vacuum side of the system. You can use standard flex hose for the vacuum side as well. Then select the hose clamps you need. Remember, you need 2 hose clamps for each length of hose. Thank you for watching our video. Please email us if you have any questions.